Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. This is my first video for the year 2026, and guys, I am so excited to be back. I'm so excited for this video. I have a few boxes to unbox, but no worries, we're not gonna be unboxing everything today, all right? One step at a time. But boy, am I so excited to be back with you guys, sharing with you guys what I love: makeup, fashion, hair, and all the good stuff. All right, please keep watching and let's dive right into this video. Alright guys, so today I have a few boxes from ColourPop to unbox, but I also have a few boxes from P. Louise. Today I think we're gonna go in with some from ColourPop. Some of these boxes are from the holiday, so I don't think that I'll be unboxing these for you guys, but if you are interested, let me know. Also, I have some fantastic news. I will soon be doing a giveaway. Yes guys, I'll be doing a giveaway. When I do my next P. Louise unboxing, I will be doing a giveaway. All the details will be in that video. All right, so you guys definitely don't want to miss that. Please stay tuned. All right, so let's unbox some of the ColourPop boxes. All right, so this is box number 1, and I have not opened these boxes as yet. And I believe that this is the Valentine's Day mystery box, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I will definitely be putting the information in the description bar down below. All right, so here we're gonna discover it together. I'm not sure which box this is, but let's dive right in. You know how we do it. You guys know. Okay, sorry, I got my receipt over here. And is this a Valentine's Day? Oh no, this is the holiday mystery box. So this is a naughty and nice mystery box. So I got both of them. All right, I mean, I wasn't gonna showcase this to you guys today, but yeah, it's already open. So let's just run right through this so you guys will have an idea of what you can get in ColourPop mystery boxes. So last holiday, ColourPop released 2 mystery boxes instead of 1 mystery box, and there was a naughty box and there was a nice box, and this is it. This is both boxes together. So I'm gonna run through this quick, all right, as quickly as possible. So for wow. What a way to start off a box. All right, so this is the Glitterily Obsessed body glitter, and this looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. That looks gorgeous. This is in the color, so cute. Oh wow, that is gorge. That is simply gorgeous, guys. All right, so if you can see that, I rubbed it kind of quickly, but this is it. Okay, so next we have a glossy lip, and like I was saying, both boxes came in this big box, so I'm not sure which is part of the naughty collection and which is part of the nice collection. All right, you can see that. So this is a glossy lip. That is beautiful. I see some shimmers in here, and this is in the shade It Girl, and this is pearlized. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. All right, I see you, ColourPop. I see you. All right, so now we have a Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Frog. Like a frog, like Princess and the Frog. Okay, but when I see the shade Frog, you know, when I hear frog, I'm thinking something green, but no. Frog. Ooh, all right. So for the holiday, ColourPop gave us a lot of nude looks, which is nice. I ain't hating. And it's no longer the holidays, but I can make some of these work for Valentine's Day. Oh, okay. A liquid liner, and this is in the shade Uno. And guys, if you've been following me for a minute, then you know that I love this liner. So I did a thin line because, yeah. I'm not mad if I get one of these in every box. I finished one already. I'm on my second, and I don't mind getting a third. Yeah, you go, ColourPop. Okay, I think that's the eyes. All right, so next we have a lippy stick, and this is in the oh, this is a primer. We got a lippy stick primer, and this is most likely going to be in a clear color, and this is cute. All right, to protect your lips. I'm not gonna swatch this because it's clear. It's clear. All right, so next up we have Hydra Pop Glossy Lip Stain, and this is in the shade 90s Baby. Yes, I love these 90s shades. Oh, I love the packaging of this as well. The heart shape, absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's see. This is it. Beautiful. I think yeah, my swatches ain't looking that good. But that's okay. Y'all are getting the colors. Y'all are getting the vibe. It's all good. So this is on Lippy Sticks, and this is in the shade Bichette. La Bichette. Ooh, look at this packaging. You guys seeing this? All right, let's see what Bichette looks like. Okay. Bichette. Oops. Oh yeah, that sucked. All right, nice. Okay. So I get it. All right, so basically we have a lot of nude golds, and for the lips there's some nude and some red. So we're definitely okay. I get it. I definitely get it. And we have a lippy pencil as well. Oh, Bichette. All right, so we have the lippy stick and the matching lippy pencil. Beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna be so fly together, guys. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Yes. Okay, so next we have another lippy pencil, guys, and this is an chain reaction. Okay. All right. ColourPop definitely giving us a lot of reds. Okay. All right. So this is a brown. This is a dark brown. Okay. I think this is dark enough. This can work on my lips. I like that. And what I like so far is that all the products in the box so far are black girl friendly. All right, so thank you, ColourPop. Ooh, okay. So I got this. What is this? This is the Pretty Locked In setting spray. Okay. I have one of this already that I'm using. I used today actually. I should have used more, but yeah. I used that today. I got one in my last unboxing, or my before last unboxing, as a free mystery item, and I got another one, guys. All right, I might put this in the giveaway bag as well. All right, guys, do not miss the giveaway. All right, so next, in this bag we have two eyeshadow palettes. I'm so happy I do not have this one as yet. This is the Gone Metal. I'm loving ColourPop's new packaging as well for their eyeshadow palette. I like that it's see-through and that we can see exactly what is inside. So this, oh wow, this is, ooh, all right. You see this? See this working together? Oh my goodness, these colors are gorgeous. I'm not really a gray girl, but I can make this work. This shimmer right here, I can't wait to try this one. All right, if you guys want to see swatches or looks of anything, guys, let me know. Let me know in the comment section, guys. You know I got you. I got you. Let me know what you want and I will come back and show you guys. All right, and the last palette that we have, okay, I don't have this one neither. Whoa. Just when I thought that I had all of ColourPop 9 pan eyeshadows, I keep getting extra that I don't have. So this is the Blush Baby 9 pan eyeshadow palette. All right, this is cute. She cute. This is the Blush Baby. She cute. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. My eyes instantly went on this shade right here. There is like gold shimmer. Oh, hold on. Let me open up the other one, bring it a little closer for you guys so that you guys can see how beautiful these eyeshadow palettes are. And also, guys, if you were wondering about my makeup look, because I often let you guys know what I use, and to create my eyeshadow look, I use ColourPop. Yeah, I use ColourPop. I used P. Louise base, and the eyeshadows, I used 2 eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop to create this look. All right, if you guys want the detail for this look, it will soon be up on my other social medias. All right, so look out for that and you will get the details. All right, so I was going for a Zara Larsson look. I don't know if I achieved it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Did your girl do Zara Larsson's makeup look justice? Let me know if this is a hit or a miss, guys. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. All right, so in total, these 2 mystery boxes, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 items, so 6 each. All right, so which is not bad, guys, which is not bad. Love this. So I am very much pleased. I'm very happy with the everything that I have received in these boxes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in until the end. And like I said, look out for that giveaway that will soon be coming, okay? Thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you guys have been showing. All right, until next time. Oh, in the comment section, let me know what look you guys want to see for Valentine's Day. Now, even though I don't get it up right here on this platform, I will be showing different looks on my other platform. So please be sure to tune in, subscribe, and follow me on my other socials. All right, guys? If you want to keep up to date with everything that I do, makeup, beauty, fashion, hair, I will definitely try to be more active on my other socials. All right, thank you guys so much. Until next time.